Good morning, children. I have been busy doing some engineering since last week to create this new machine to make some things easier for you to learn. Hmm, I can guess that so many things might be popping up in your minds now. Hang on there, curious you. Oh, by the way, did I tell you that I had given my machine a name too? It's Squeezomatic 100. Come on, let's meet and greet this amazing machine to find out what it does. You must be wondering how this is going to help you with your learning. Let's see how this machine works. Can you see two words here? She will. Let's run the machine. Oops! Did you notice what has happened to the two words? They shrunk into a single word. Well, I do notice some pretty big changes there. What's missing? Letters W and I are missing, but something has replaced these letters. A punctuation mark. What do you call this mark? This is called an apostrophe. I'm sure you have noticed that. Let's try another one. You are. These are our two words. Let's run the machine. Here we go. The same change. Some letters are missing and are replaced by an apostrophe again. Here is another one. I have two words, I and am. Let's put them inside the machine. When you press the release button, this is what comes out. I'm. Observe closely. You can see how two words are dropping some letters to make one word. Instead of these missing letters, an apostrophe is added. There they are. This is called contraction, which we widely use in our speaking and writing. To contract means make smaller, smush it up. That's what my machine, Squeezomatic 100, was intending to teach you. What are we learning today? Recognize and use contractions. What am I looking for? I can use apostrophe to make contractions in my writing. Let's define what is a contraction first. A contraction is a word made by shortening and combining two words. Words like can't, don't, and I've are all contractions. In a contraction, some letters are dropped and an apostrophe is used to indicate the place of the missing letters. Contractions are commonly used in speaking and writing, especially in dialogues. One clue to remember what's a contraction is in its name itself. Contract means to shorten, and that is what we do when we form contractions. Let's look at these examples of contractions. I plus half becomes I've. Do plus not becomes don't. Here is an example of how we use contractions in speaking and writing. I've got a great idea. I don't care. This is how it's done. Let's look at these two words. Now, I'm going to smush them together. She is becomes she's. See how the letters are removed and the apostrophe is added. Let's look at each example. He will becomes he'll. Can't, I'll, wasn't. Remember, only add an apostrophe to the letter or letters you have removed. Another thing to notice, contractions are commonly made up of pronoun and a verb. Can you help me contract these words? Let's look at the first one. I have. What does it become? I've. You have. You've. He has. He's. She has. She's. It has. It's. They have. They've. Well, that was easy, right? Now, let's see how contractions are also used with nouns. Ralph has been awarded Eco Monitor of the Month. Ralph's been awarded Eco Monitor of the Month. The noun is Ralph. Observe how the apostrophe was used in place of the omitted letters H and A. Let's practice. Determine which is the correct contraction of who is. Can you guess? Take a moment to pause the video and find out your answers. There it is. How about were not? Good job. You have. Which one would it be? She would. There it is. Do not. Good job. I'm sure that was a piece of cake for all of you. How about let's have some more practice. Can you identify the two words that make up each contraction? Let's look at the first one. She's got a cute dog. She has got a cute dog. Let's look at the second one. They've completed their work. They have completed their work. It's a beautiful color. It is a beautiful color. Let me show you some examples of contractions used in writing. Let's read it first. I Can Rhyme by Becky Spence. She said, you can't do it. She said, you're not so bright. But I can rhyme. She just wasn't right. Can you spot the contractions in the poem that I just read? Here it is. Can't, your, wasn't. Now, let's move on to the next part. Out slunk the creature, his eyes weren't fiery, his tail wasn't scaly, his whiskers weren't wiry. You're not the mouse. Oh no, not me. He's under a tree drinking Graffello tea. Now let's spot the contractions. You can pause the video for a while to find out your answers. Weren't again, wasn't, your, he's. Contractions are everywhere if you notice. They are used in advertisements a lot. Look at these. Let's spot the contractions in each advertisement. How about the first one? Can you try spotting it? You can pause the video for a while to find the contractions. There it is. Where's? There's. Don't. It's. Well, that was easy, wasn't it? What did we learn today? A contraction consists of two words that are combined to form one word. An apostrophe is used in place of the omitted letters. We use contractions so our writing sounds the way we speak. Children, we've come to the end of our lesson today. So here's your independent task. Do pages 32 to 33 of your grammar book. So that's all for today. Bye-bye.